Do you want to have a website of your own? Well, you can create one very easily, with the help of a domain registrar and web hosting service. Now, the question is, which one will be best for you? Well, in my opinion, I think Namecheap is the best domain registrar and web hosting service right now. It is offering some of the best affordable and cheaper plans to create your first website. Let's talk about Namecheap in details. What is Namecheap actually? Namecheap is an all-in-one shop, where you can buy domains, web hosting, email hosting, and WordPress hosting at the same time. That sounds amazing. It is a place where you can get everything you need to start an online business and create your own website. In short, Namecheap is one of the top domain name registrar out there with lots of affordable and reliable domain and hosting options. Why Namecheap? Namecheap is a budget hosting provider with 11 million registered users and 10 million domains under management. With Namecheap, you have some of the best offers that you will not find in any other service providers like Namecheap. Now, the one thing that is really cool about Namecheap is, it has a lot cheaper domain registrations and web hosting fees than GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost, StableHost, etc. Who is for Namecheap? Namecheap will be best for you, if you're looking for cheaper and affordable domain registrations with easy functionality. Some of the best web hosting deals you gonna find only on Namecheap. In case you have to renew your domain registrations, then Namecheap has some of the best renewal rates in the industry. If you want to buy a custom domain name and web hosting all in one place with an affordable budget, Namecheap is a savior for you. It gives you the most useful options to choose from. Features, pros and cons. Every service has some pros and cons, as well as Namecheap. So stay awake about what features you are looking for. Pros. Best user experience. Free HoiGuard. Easy WP. Free apps. Easy to domain transfer. Affordable and cheap. 24/7 online support. Helpful guidance. Free migration. Good uptime, Cons. Downtime issues. Renewals rates issues. Namecheap services. Domain and registrations pricing. Namecheap is well known for its cheap domain and registration services. It offers you popular domains at a competitive price. You can claim your own custom domain like .com $8.88 per year, .net $10.98 per year, .org $9.18 per year, etc. If you are able to find the deals and offers, you may find unbelievable prices like 99 cents for certain domains. This is absolutely the cheapest price to buy. Now, if you compare Namecheap with other domain registrars, like Bluehost, HostingR, GoDaddy, you will see how much cheaper it is. Because, its own name says about itself that, name is cheap equal to Namecheap. That's a kind of fun fact. Web hosting pricing. Whether it is for your personal portfolio or business purpose, Namecheap offers you the best web hosting service with a security and stress-free experience. Its web hostings are shared hosting, reseller hosting, WordPress hosting, email hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting. Shared hosting plans. Stellar, $1.58 per month. Stellar Plus, $2.60 per month. Stellar Business, $4.80 per month. All plans also include these benefits like unmetered bandwidth, free website builder, domain name and privacy protection, free automatic SSL installation, free supersonic CDN, 30-day money-back guarantee, free in less than 24 hours website migrations. Reseller hosting plans. Nebula, $19.88 per month. Galaxy Expert, $36.88 per month. Universe Pro, $54.88 per month. All plans also include these benefits like unmetered bandwidth, Free cPanel/WHM, 30-day money-back guarantee. WordPress hosting plans. EasyWP Starter, $3.88 per month. EasyWP Turbo, $7.88 per month. EasyWP Supersonic, $11.88 per month. All plans also include these benefits like 1x WordPress website, installed in under 90 seconds, hosted on Namecheap Cloud, safe and secure, etc. Namecheap Apps. Namecheap Apps gives you some of the best features to make your site more creative. On Namecheap, maximum apps are free, even the paid apps has a very low monthly fees. It has apps like free Logo Maker, website uptime monitoring app, which is also free to use. You will not find these amazing features in most of the domain registrars that help you with free apps, that help you beyond the process of simply registering domains and purchasing hosting plans. Here are the apps. Site Maker, build a personal website in minutes. Supersonic CDN, Namecheap domain and basic DNS. Validation.com, prevent chargebacks and online frauds with this brand new online ID authentication tool. EasyWP, for creating a WordPress website. FastVPN, for online privacy protection. Google Workspace, all work in one place. Logo Maker, free Logo Maker app. Hosting, Namecheap Affordable dedicated server. Ghost Machine, a simple powerful publishing platform for bloggers. And more. Namecheap Security. Namecheap is also best for its advanced privacy and security option for its users, which makes it different from competitive services like this. It has some of the amazing features you need to secure your sites like fast VPN, domain privacy, premium DNS, SSL certificates, safety unlock content, personal privacy protection, and a lot more secure in the online world. You're not gonna find this type of service anywhere else. Easy domain transfer. Namecheap easy domain transfer process gonna save your day. Also, it is easy to manage them. Namecheap checkout and account panel system are free of cluttered upsells and complications, making domain management effortless and leaving you to get on with the things that matter. Also, you don't have to struggle to go to separate providers, contacts, and services when you can have all this in Namecheap. Start with Namecheap. There is no reason not to choose Namecheap to create your first site. It offers you the best facilities you need for domain registrations, web hosting or email hosting, or to transfer your domain. It is affordable and easy to use. Also, it is the top domain registrar and web hosting service at the same time. So, why not to use Namecheap? Try Namecheap, with 30-day money-back guarantee. Check out the description box to get special offers and deals from Namecheap.